Hey everyone, I'm Vickie Howell, founder and creative director of YarnYAY, a subscription club with the goal of nurturing creativity and community and otherwise just reveling in all that is yarny goodness. And it is my favorite part of the month when I get to reveal to you the goodies that I have chosen for this month's YarnYAY subscription. So without further ado, let's dig in. So every month you will receive an aqua package into your mailbox or on your doorstep. And in it, of course, with a company called YarnYAY, it would make sense you will get some gorgeous yarn. All right, so my goal is to give you really healthy bite-sized portions, appetizers, if you will, of beautiful yarns that I love by independent companies out there. I design projects, both knit and crochet for you, that are totally doable, quick projects. If you love the yarn as much as I do, then I encourage you to go out to your own local yarn store and buy more from them. Let's all help each other rise. All right, so this month, we're about to head into spring, so I felt like it was a perfect time for some organic cotton. So we will be working with Blue Sky Fibers printed organic cotton. Blue Sky Fibers is a woman-owned company. It's owned by Linda Niemeyer, and this particular yarn, I feel like it's so unique compared to other cottons that we're seeing out in the marketplace right now, mostly because of the printing that's done on the cotton. It's really beautiful. It's got a splash of color, but it still feels really rustic and kind of cool. It's got that farmhouse chic kind of jam to it, and I just love it. It's worsted weight. It's so squishy and soft, and I really believe that you're gonna love working with it. So you'll get a full hank of the organic cotton in one of the colors in the palette. So at random, you will get any of these colors. They're all lovely. Just lovely. And we also have a buy, sell, trade group on Facebook. So if you get one that you're like, I kind of want the other one, you just flippity flop with your friends. So you'll get a full hank of this. So what will we be making with it, you ask? Well, how about some spa-worthy washcloths? So in every single package, I make sure that there's the same thing for knitters that there are for crocheters. So normally that means one pattern of each. This time you're getting 6 patterns for 6 different washcloths of all different types, from baubles to lace, cables, and more. And they come via a booklet printed also by a independent business here in Austin, Texas. This booklet will have written instructions. Also inside, I make sure to give you the information on the other companies that you're supporting by supporting YarnYAY so that you can go give them some more business later if you dig them as much as I do. 3 knit, 3 crochet patterns in this booklet. You'll also receive it in digital form, emailed straight to you so that you can take it with you and be creative wherever you happen to be going that day. All right, so that's the knit and crochet of it. Let's see what else. Oh, Blue Sky Fibers also is offering something else in this. Inside, you will find a gift card for 1 free pattern download. So along with the 6 washcloths patterns you'll also be able to get a pattern from anything ranging from, a hat to a full sweater. So it's up to a $9 value for free. Once you feel inspired by this yarn or any of your yarns, you can go to your local yarn store, nab it, get your free pattern. Next up is a product by another female-run company. This is run by Davin Lee. It's called Love and Leche, and it is their Anywhere Balm. You will get one of a few selected scents. This is great for those cuticles, those hanging cuticles, those dry knuckles, those dry, elbows. Well, elbows don't really get in the way of knitting, but cuticles and fingers really can. And I love throwing this in my project bag so that my hands are as smooth as my yarn. Davin works with goat's milk and organic beeswax, or all natural beeswax rather, and creates the most lovely products. And this is one of them. I'm really excited about you treating yourself to this and just throwing it in your bag. And speaking of bags, our last goodies are from yet another female-run company. They are mesh bags by Namaste. Namaste is owned by Laura Zander, and these are great mesh bags. I've been using these for years in various sizes. I love them for two reasons. One, you can see inside of them. So these are great for bags within bags. I'm a big purse kind of gal, so I like to throw my projects in a bag before I go. This way I can see exactly, I often have multiple projects in my purse, which tells you something about my purse, I guess. I love that you can throw your yarn in there and you can feed it through the snaps, and then your yarn won't go jumping around or end up on the floor if you're, at one of your kids' games or on a plane or whatever. So this is a mesh bag. You'll get one. You'll either get this gray or the blue at random. We've got lots of surprises this month. And also inside is a Namaste little dot journal. These are great. Dot journals are great for drawing out schematics, for charting things out, or just for making notes about patterns that you're working on. The entire thing is kind of designed for you to be a maker on the go. We've got busy lives, right? So quick projects, little wins, gorgeous yarns, and helping each other rise in business and in creativity. What could be better? So that's what we have for March. It's $35 plus a flat rate shipping, depending on if you're international or national. So get thee to YarnYAY.com to check it out. While you're there, you may notice that we have a bunch of other stuff. If you feel like shopping even more, please check out our shop. Our newest thing is well, there was the reveal, are these moon bags by another woman-run business called Ritual Dyes. I'm really obsessed with this company lately. I've bought a bunch of stuff from them, and I love these moon pouches. They're round, which is not a shape that you see as much as in a bag. It is perfect for socks or wrist warmers or a hat or a small project. Really nice industrial zipper, handmade. I've got these color block terracotta versions, and I've got them in black, because you can never go wrong with black. So I only bought a handful of these, but I'm really excited about them. I'm excited about supporting Ritual Dyes. So if you're interested in them, they are $36, and you can also find them at YarnYAY.com. So what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to get started with you. I can't wait for you to try all of these products and to just get making with you in March. Hope to see you soon.